Hey there, I'm Hugo Ferreira from TechCornerTV, and today is another Mailbag day. As usual, on Monday we have a lot of packages to open. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time we have new videos. Most of these packages are reviewed on the other two channels of TechCornerTV, the TechCornerTV Reviews and Tips for Technology and the TechCornerTV Electronics Projects and Tutorials for electronics projects and test equipment reviews. So take a look in them. Right now it's unbox time. Let's move all of this out of the way and let's start with the unboxing. Okay, the first one we have here, it says HDD enclosure. Let's see what we have. Okay, so this enclosure was bought for my Raspberry Pi to install a SSD and to be able to use it as primary storage device. It's quite light. The material is plastic. I'm trying to see if we can open it, if it has any screws. It doesn't seem to have any screws. Let's try to push a little more. Well, I will have to see how this... It doesn't have any screws, so it must be something like this. I don't want to break it. I just receive it. Yeah. I will have to see later how this open. Okay, I'm getting there. Let me see. No, it will be better to see first how this open before I break anything. With the closure, the HDD closure, comes a USB 3 cable, and it has, let's see if we can get a focus on here. It brings a USB, I don't remember the model of this cable, but that special ones that has this little divider in here. Anyway, this is for my Raspberry Pi. Let's see if I later can open this box. It seems quite weird. It should be easy to open. Okay, we have to move on. So next one we have here a package with a funny story. On eBay I saw a GoPro on sale for about $150. I work with the internet for more than 20 years, and I know that every time something seems too good to be true is because it normally is too good to be true. Anyway, since I was on eBay and we have the buyer protection and it works very well, I use it several times. I took a chance and order a GoPro 9, GoPro Hero 9. So what I received is this package. I suspected that it was a fraud, and I already a month ago or something like that created a dispute and won, and I received the money back. But I'm quite curious to see what is going on with this package, what they sent me instead of a GoPro Hero 9. So join me and let's see what our friends in China sent instead of a GoPro 9. So as you can see, I have a sticker with flamingos. Yeah, instead of a GoPro 9. This, if I didn't complain and create a dispute, this sticker will cost $150. So thank you eBay and the buyer protection program, because yeah, we have to be careful with this. Okay, so let's see. Today we have a lot of small package. This says it's an adapter. So let's see what kind of adapter. Those adapters are for our oscilloscope, and to be able to connect BNC cables, several BNC cables. It should arrive also briefly some terminators for this. I already have a attenuator for the BNC signal. We will see that at work in some videos in the Electronics channel. And yeah, it's a simple thing, just a T for the cables on the oscilloscope and for the reviews that we do there. Okay, so we have here some more also computer cables and connectors. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, so this cable is meant to be used with several. This is a jack 3.5, I believe. I don't know right now the model, and USB Type-C adapter. Let's see if we can get some focus here. Well, it's not working right now, but you can see, I hope, yeah. So this is an adapter for, we can use USB Type-C power supplies to power Arduinos and stuff like that, but well, it's not. Arduino has a Type-C connection also, or a micro USB connection. This is more for other kind of projects. For example, we have a signal function generator, that uses this, and it will be good to use the power supplies that we already have to power it up, and other projects like that. So it's just a converter, nothing special here. Let's put it away. Well, this time I think we have a lot of cables arriving. Let's see, we have another one. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. This is for the channel also. It's an adapter. A jack 3.5 millimeters, 3.5 millimeters to 6.3, 6 and 3. It's for the microphones that we use. And also, nothing really relevant here. So let me see. Receive this little box. I think it was open already in the customs. Let's try and see what's in it. Let's. Okay. Ah, okay. Those are Mezzanine for Dell servers. They are riser cards for the Mezzanine on Dell servers. Those are for Dell C6220 that we have. It's not proper. It's not Electronics, but it's for the business we have also. And we have here 4 riser cards to be used with the Mezzanine, for example, 10 gigabit internet network cards, or we have also InfiniBand cards and stuff like that. So it's okay. It's for the company, not for the channel. Okay, let's see. Well, today this. Okay, top K. I'm sure this is a cable. Yeah. Today we are rich on cables. So this is a cable. Let's see what kind of cable we have here. It's a USB cable. It seems pretty good. This is from Top Key. No special reference here. This is a USB Type C to USB Type A. It's a charging cable or a data cable. It's not USB 3.0. So yeah, today we receive a lot of cables. I don't know what's going on. They came all of them at the same time. Okay. Now we have this must be connectors or something like that. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is another kind of connectors. It's 2 boxes of connectors. Lately I bought a lot of them. I used a few of them already in some electronic projects. Those are a little bit different. Let's see if we can get a focus on this. Is this kind of socket. And we have here, yeah, this is the female, and we have here, I believe it's, no, the male, yeah. This kind of socket has a, let's see, has a protection, a clip to close, and it will be, well, if you don't push it with too much strong, it will be secure with the clip. You have to open it and take it out. So it's like extension connectors. And I also bought a few more of the normal connectors. Yeah, I have a bunch of these. I will not even open this one. Yeah, I have a bunch of these connectors for electronics projects. It's for PCB mounting. Those are for wire extension connection, and these ones are for PCB mounting. You can see the pins for PCB mounting. Yeah, so a few more connectors, and to end we have this big one. It says camera case. Well, right now the electronic stuff for the channel, it's not arriving. Let's see what we have here. It seems a very nice case. Okay, let's open it, if I can find it. This case for transporting some of our filming equipment. I saw this case, and this is quite interesting because I hope you can see, we can cut the foam and create a custom design to store here our stuff, our objects that want to be protected, like projectors or batteries or lenses or whatever. And we just take on the place we want. I will not open this anymore because I don't want to take it out already. I want to see first what I will put in here, but you can take square by square. Those are square of foam, and you can draw what you want to store in here. Yeah, the quality, it seems quite good. It's hard case, and we have a small bag for cables or something like that in this size. It's, well, the size, it's okay. It's not too big, not too small. Yeah, it seems okay. I bought this essentially for the newer projectors that we bought, and we have a review on that in the reviews and tips channel. They are the ZC10S newer projectors, and probably we'll have space also to put here the Viltrox, the RB08P projector, and it's a small one. Yeah, I believe that we will be able to manage the three of them in here, and yeah, it seems okay. The zipper has it has here the protection. It's not working quite fine because of this. Yeah, let's try again. Yeah, it could be better, but anyway, it seems okay. And that's it for today. If you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified every time we have new videos. And if you liked this video, please give a thumbs up and help the channel grow. And don't forget to take a look on the other two channels, the reviews and tips channel and the Electronics projects and tutorials. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next video.